Dashcam madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. I wonder what happened here because this driver literally got chased out of his car by a cop on foot.
Oh my god. Oh! Baby. Oh, you got that on camera too. What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh! Baby. Oh, you got that on camera.
A few moments later.
Baby. They're leaving. Oh, they were chasing him. Police. Oh, they were chasing him. That's why.
That like the things you think when you are afraid are not made more true by your fear during the situation. And of course my example always for this is 35-year-old white woman.
This stick shift driver is the funniest. He keeps rolling his Solara back and almost hitting the supply in his car. He's accelerated forward a couple times and just straight rolled back. Look at him just keep rolling back. Watch this, watch him roll back right after he pulls forward. Right away, he lets go of the brakes. Oh, it's too funny.
Lies a long shadow.
Are you fucking...
Don't hit us.
What the
Yo.
eventually.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.